What's the meaning of civic holiday? Civic holiday. Civic holiday.
Civic holiday. Civic holiday. Civic holiday is a day that is celebrated in certain regions or cities of Canada. It is not a statutory holiday, but rather a day off for many workers. The date of this holiday varies depending on the region, but it usually falls on the first Monday of August. The name civic suggests that the day is meant to promote civic pride and community involvement, and many cities use this day as an opportunity to celebrate their local history and culture through parades, festivals, and other events.